Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to leave an old group you've joined on Facebook. If you're looking to clean up your Facebook groups list and leave groups you no longer participate in, this video is for you. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. This will open a menu where you can find the Groups option. Tap on Groups to access a list of all the groups you are a part of. Scroll through the list to find the group you want to leave, and tap on it to open it. Once you're in the group, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with various options. From the menu, select the option that says Leave Group. A confirmation message will appear asking you if you are sure you want to leave the group. Confirm your decision by tapping on Leave Group again. And that's it. You have successfully left the old group on Facebook that you no longer wish to be a part of. Remember, it's important to regularly review the groups you are a part of on social media to ensure that your feed remains relevant and clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.